Personal trainer, Olga and Chicago Joe.
Oh, please don't.
Baby, let me introduce you to Phil.
You get all. Ah!
We're directing the movie.
Okay, you're the one. This thing hurt. Push you up! God, you're not giving me enough room. Flip your hair! I did it like 10 million times. Ow.
You'll get over it, trust me. When your hair look fabulous.
They could be in diapers.
You can get a little diggy version. Can you do it here? You got something back to. Ow!
I told you to let the Nazis out.
You're dropping all.
They need to go back to Germany.
You're dropping all of it.
Oh, look here, looks nice.
Bam! Stop.
Film could make you
Ah.
a star.
I should definitely be a hairstylist. People will probably sue me.
Come on, you.
I can't. You gotta stand up and flip your hair.
Hey, ready? Here's.
You're needed on the set.
Please don't make me laugh.
Ow.
Nazis. Ready? Look at that. Look at all the things I did. Okay. Flip. Sit down. Oh, we're making progress here.
You're gonna drop it all, I know.
Yep.
Ah.
Well, it's gonna hurt if you don't want me to drop it.
On this side, dummy.
You can't just go busting into people's houses for
Ow!
That was a big Nazi. He's one fat little heifer.
You're dropping it.
Hey, do you know that one of my vocab words is heifer?
No.
Yeah, it means a cow that hasn't had a calf. Okay, we're just gonna put it a little bumpy, okay? Because they had bumps.
No bumpy.
Yeah, they had bumps in the 60s.
Let me kill you.
Oh, look, it looks pretty.
No, I'm doing my own.
Nuh-uh, Cassidy, it looks nice.
Dude.
Look at that.
What the fuck?
Look at that.
Okay, definitely not.